if we take a look at what we have on a 4-hour time frame, we're saying that we're looking for buys. If we're looking for buys, we're not looking for characteristics of an uptrend. All right, what are the characteristics of an uptrend? Higher highs and higher lows. I was actually creating notes on that yesterday. So in an uptrend, what do we have? We've got a low, we've got a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. All right, and then we say as long as the market is still creating highs that are higher than the previous high, and lows that are higher than the previous lows, we can say that the market is still in an uptrend. Buying at a higher low, that's all we do in an uptrend. So what do we have going on here? I'm running out of time. So we've completed the W pattern retest of the neckline, because remember, when we have a W pattern, this is what we want to see. We want to see a situation where we have a W like that, and then we come back and retest this neckline. Because what is this neckline? It's the creation of a higher low. So is that a characteristic of an uptrend? Yes. Is this the reason why we opened our trade over here on a 4-hour? Yes. W, neckline, shoot up. That's why the market shot up like that yesterday. But for the last 4, 8, let's just say 12 hours, because I know this candle is going to close just now. For the last 12 hours, the market has been ranging in this area over here. So that means something. See, what does it mean? It means that as the market is creating a high, all right? I mean a low, a high, higher low, higher high. There is still a possibility that the market will push up because we're still in a bullish trend. All right. Now, because on a daily time frame, we have taken note of the fact that we've got a range. Okay. What I am saying is that during London session, this is my support area over here. This is my support. I hope I have not confused anyone. So for me, as long as the market stays above this area here, I am taking a look at this 4-hour as a range. And I'm expecting the market to continue pushing to the upside. That's scenario number 1. So that's one thing that can happen, because remember, we still haven't even hit our take profit that we had of 2005, 71. So let's just put it at 2005. So we still haven't hit that take profit. So what I'm looking for the market, guys, I think I'm only going to have time to do gold, because I can't stay over 7 o'clock. I need to go. So I'm looking for the market. Let's go into the 1 hour. But you guys know what we always do. Before we drop down to the 1 hour, we always need to ask ourselves, what do we expect to see on the smaller time frame? Hold on. Is that a valid trend? Yes, but a trend there, trend there, trend there. And then what we have actually, okay, so what I would have done is that I would have put a touch there, and a touch here. And then, oh, this would have been a nice trade yesterday. Guys, if you took this trade yesterday, well done. If you followed the live and what we spoke about in the morning, if you took that trade yesterday, you should be running how many pips? You should have ran 183 pips. If you still have it open, you're still running 100 pips. So well done to you. So what am I looking at? Support. We've broken above that support. We're ranging. I'm looking for the market to continue to go to the upside. Okay. So overall targets, because on the weekly time frame, we've already spoken about this. And yesterday's trade, we say that our take profit was only here at 2005. I am still looking for the markets to go with the overall trend, which is to come and finish this bullish trend over here. All right, I'm gonna actually save this live video and yesterday's live video, and I think I'm gonna upload it on my YouTube, because this is good gems, even for myself. I think this is good. So this is what we have in gold. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, what do we want to see? We've already spoken about how every time we go into a smaller time frame, we want to say what we want to see first, so we don't get caught off guard. It's not guessing, or it's not projecting our emotions to the market. No, it's just practicing what you're seeing. Okay, so we want to see something like this and the market ranging. All right, so we're going to get 2 entry types from this trade, and I'm going to show you the 2 entry types that we can get from this trade. Let's do this quickly. 1 hour time frame. Let's go. Okay, so and I'm gonna quickly delete everything okay, so that we can see what we have with nothing disrupting. Okay, so we say that on a 1 hour we wanted to see something like this, and then the market going up. This is not what we're seeing. Instead, we're seeing the impulse, yes, but now we're seeing a correction, and then the market broke out of that correction. So one of two things could be happening, okay? And we even broke structure over here on a 1 hour. So my daily time frame, my monthly, weekly, daily might be saying good buys, and 4 hour might also be saying those buys, but I cannot enter yet because my daily time, my 1 hour time frame has said there is a break of structure and we have created a reversal pattern over here. So how would I enter this trade? I would enter this trade one of two ways. I would either wait for the market to come back because this is clearly a strong resistance area. All right. I would wait for the market to come back into that area and then try and take myself by my buy trades from here. All right. Obviously on a 15-minute time frame, but after the 1 hour break. So I would wait for the 1 hour break if I am saying that my bigger time frames are telling me to buy, and then I would enter my trade. That's option number one. All right. Let me download this chart. Option number two, what you can do is that you can wait for the market to come back into this range here because there's a resistance here, all right, as much as there is a support. So I'm going to create a zone in here, and in this zone here, I cannot trade. Do you understand? If I cannot trade in this zone, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait for the market to close above with a strong, let's say a strong bullish candle. If it does not close above, I'm going to wait for when it closes above or below. When it closes above, I will then buy. If I have a reversal candlestick, closes below, I might be looking at some temporary sells. All right. If we do get some temporary sells, we can see that as the market impulse to the downside over here, we're creating higher highs and higher lows. This could be an extended correction. So the market could come back and retest over here. Why could this happen? This could only happen because what did we see on a 1 hour time frame, guys, when we started? That we are not ready for buys. So let me go back to the 1 hour time frame quickly just before I leave. To the daily time frame quickly before I leave. See, so as much as the daily time frame has closed above here, we still have not broken structure for buys. So remember when I was saying that when we analyze the daily, yes, we're above this support, but the market still can come back and retest this area, then go up. So unless the daily BOS is broken, guys, buys overall are not ready yet, but we can be taking advantage of them on a smaller time frame. So that's how you will take advantage of gold today on a 1 hour time frame. So go and draw the zones that I drew on a 1 hour, the resistance, and also draw that current zone that's there right now, and do not take any trades in that zone. When it closes above, and if it gives you a reversal candlestick, you can enter your trade. If it closes below, you know what to do for the temporary time. All right, let's allow the comments for 2 minutes before I leave. I can't analyze any other pair. I'll come back on live later, and I will definitely help you guys, and we'll analyze more pairs. But that's what I have for this morning. If you're still in that gold trade, guys, please close partials. If you're still in this gold trade, close partials. But I do still feel like this 4 hour candle can still push up because we still have another hour of this 4 hour candle. So if we can still push up, you are going to hit your 2005 take profit. Looks like a market shift to the downside. Yeah, that could happen. Which indicator are you using? No indicator.